And now our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hello everyone, this is Miriam Suley from Bellevue and joining my work here in Curtis as a Rural Fellow. I will be a sophomore chemical engineering student at UNL next semester, so my small town summer has been an eye-opening experience. Our projects have included work to improve alumni engagement here and to create a self-guided Arboretum Walking Tour of the campus focused on the trees by including other interesting information about the college. This campus has been an affiliated site of the Nebraska statewide Arboretum since 1985. We invite you to a presentation of our projects next week on Thursday, July 20th at 7 in the evening, starting at the Education Center here on campus in Curtis. After the presentation, enjoy some refreshments, and we hope you will try out the tour with a brochure and a voice narration to guide you. I appreciate the opportunity the Rural Prosperity Nebraska program has given me to experience rural Nebraska and the world of agriculture. I will have memories of horseback riding on the beautiful Loon Ranch with some amazing students working on the ranch crew. My support team on campus, the alumni, the people of Curtis have been amazing. I agree, NCTA is a great college choice to enter the field of agriculture and vet tech. Students from all backgrounds should come for a college visit and learn about trees while you're here. They have open enrollment, so there's plenty of time to enroll for fall 2023. For a summer tour, call 1-800-3-CURTIS or on the website at ncta.unl.edu. Again, this is Miriam Suley inviting you to our Rural Fellows presentation on July 20th. I hope to see you there.